In this video, I'll show you where to find the VIN number and the OBD port on a 2016 Toyota Yaris Hybrid. First, let's start with the VIN number. Open the driver's door, and on the suspension strut tower you'll see a sticker. On that sticker, you will find the VIN number. Now for the OBD port. It's located on the driver's side, just under the steering wheel on the left. Here you can clearly see the OBD connector. That's it, quick and simple. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.